Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a video to a Framer template. This is helpful when you want to display a product video, presentation, or any other visual content directly on your website. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to go Framer AI website builder for professional sites and open the template that you want to edit. Next, I want you to choose the area where you want the video to appear and then click the layout or insert option and then select frame and place it inside the section that you want to use. Then expand the frame to fill the entire canvas. And once the frame is ready, click the plus or insert icon and then search for the video component, then drag and drop it inside the frame that you created. After that, select the video from the layers panel and scroll down until you find the source option. And from here, you can paste a video URL if the video is hosted on another website. You can also click upload, choose the video file from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. And once the upload is complete, your video will be added to the Framer template. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.